Oh, good morning. Another beautiful morning here in the Green Mountain National Forest. It snowed a good bit last night, and yeah, should be make for a great day. Yeah, just gotta finish getting dressed here. I fell back to sleep while the cap was heating up, and I'll get on with my day. Well, it snowed last night. Here it is. Well, I gotta finish getting ready here, and get on the hunt. See what the day brings. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day, regardless. So, another great day. Well, been moving for about 35 minutes so far, using this old Forest Service road here. I'm trying to see if I can cut some tracks. Haven't seen anything yet, but it's still early. The snow stopped around, I want to say 2:30, 3 o'clock this morning, so might work out pretty good for tracking. Up ahead, there's a old feral apple orchard that I found the first time I was here, and that's kind of where I'm going to cut off. And if I don't cut any tracks before then, I'm going to cut up and head on the opposite side of the bowl here and loop back to the truck, and we'll see what that brings us. So yeah, I'm gonna head up this road for another quarter mile or so, and then loop up and I'm gonna try to stay out of the cloud line on that ridge, and that'll bring me back down to across from the truck and camp, and then I'll decide from there. The awesome stuff you find out here. Look at the size of that tree. That is a very, very old, I believe it's an oak tree. And yeah, it's just pretty awesome to find those. Obviously it's important because they've got a survey marker right there. So it's just stuff you don't see every day. I still got a little bit more climbing to go. I've done about 1,000 feet. A couple hundred more to go. And here's the hillside I'm looking at. Haven't seen any tracks yet. Seen a bunch of squirrels, but no deer. Well, it'll pan out or it won't. It's beautiful out here. Well, that's where I came from. This is a terrain that was above me, or is above me. And as you can see, there's a terrain below me. It is truly beautiful out here. Much steeper than I expected. I'm bummed I haven't seen any deer, but at the same time kind of glad, because if I did get one, I don't know if you can see it, but the truck is in the valley that way, over a mile or so away, with a stream between us and it. So, I mean, it is steep downhill, but still a lot of work dragging. But damn, it's gorgeous out here. Well, thus ends my day hunting. It's a little earlier than I expected, but it's alright. Unfortunately, the GoPro batteries froze on me. I did bump a couple deer out of their beds and spent a bunch of time chasing them around, trying to get clean shots. But I just couldn't do it. Just couldn't get anything I was happy with, so moved on. Interesting though, the loop I had planned, there was two thoughts I had. One was actually going to cross right here in front of the cab, right where the truck is, because there's like a stream and it's relatively deep, and then loop around. The other way was hike up the road, cross over. I chose hiking up the road first because I'd be able to keep my feet drier, or I thought I would. It turns out, as you saw, it's probably you'll see in some of the footage, that basically this trail that I was following was a stream, so my feet didn't stay any drier, and I ended up bumping all those the does just, I don't know, 400 yards from the truck, and they were all just kind of out of their bed, just kind of grazing around some beach stands. And yeah, if I'd gone the other way, I might have stood a chance, but you know, that's what it is. I'm really thankful though that I already have a deer in the freezer, that I didn't need anything this trip. I was just out here for fun, to be out in the woods, get some camping in, and yeah, that's it. So now for the fun part. We'll see if my muzzleloader shoots. So this is always a 41. Well, I guess if I had gotten a shot, I would have gotten one. But oh well, you know, sometimes it doesn't always work out for you. I had good luck this spring, or this early fall, so still awesome, still great to be out here. And yeah, I'm gonna break camp up. I think I got enough time. I'll probably get changed. I might go to the Orvis store and look at all the awesome fly fishing stuff for the spring. So maybe I'll take you guys there. Well, there we go, onto the sort of paved road. Heading out. I think I am going to swing by the Orvis shop. Of all the things I brought, I did forget to bring my snow scraper, so that kind of sucks, but it'll blow off. It's light snow. So thanks again coming for the ride. Let's go to Orvis.